We do not need Fraulein Maria. Sing just as well with me.
It is Twilight so long as it's called.
No one could be calling me.
Max, this isn't the first call you've had from women.
George, you know I have no political convictions. Besides, the Germans have promised not to invade Austria.
And if they don't keep their promise,
Then I want friends among them.
now children, what would you like to see?
Fraulein Maria always
We
started.
are not to mention Fraulein Maria. Louisa, do you play any of your tricks, any of your jokes on Fraulein Maria?
Only the one she liked and laughed at.
You didn't put toads in her bed?
No, Father.
Well, something must have happened for her to leave without even saying goodbye.
Well, isn't Fraulein Maria coming back?
No, darling, I don't think so.
And she was the best governess we ever had.
Yes, well, it's time for your afternoon walk.
When Fraulein Maria wanted to feel better, she used to sing that song. Remember?
All right, let's try it.
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
Children, I missed you so very much. How's your sore finger?
You remember.
Liesel, are you all right?
Yes, Fraulein, I'm all right.
Any telegrams lately?
No, Fraulein. Now I'll be glad to go to boarding school.
Liesel, you can't use boarding school to escape your problems. You have to face them.
Fraulein Maria, you've come back.
Yes, Captain.
Liesel,
Louisa, Brigida, boys. Maria, we'll be in the nursery.
Maria, the new dress?
We have a new postulate.
You left us without any explanation whatsoever.
It was wrong with me.
You've been missed by the children. I've missed. Everyone missed you very much. Nothing was the same while you were away.
Please forgive me.
What made you come back?
Mother Abbess, she said you had to look for your life.
Often you find it, you don't recognize it.
No.
Not first. Then one day, one night, all of a sudden it stands before you.
Yes.
Maria, I look at you now and I realize this isn't something that has just happened. You know it to me. What told you?
Gita, we were dancing at the party.
She was quiet. That wasn't just an ordinary dance, was it?
I hadn't danced the lander since I was a little girl. It's quite different after you're all grown up, isn't it?
Maria, your whole life will be different now. I'll give you anything you wish, take you anywhere you want to go.
I don't want to go anywhere. All I can wish for is right here.
You know, those two should get together sometime.
Who?
The mother absolutely needs her. Maria, is there someone I should go to ask permission to marry you?
Why don't we ask the children?